Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about type of numbers in Python. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the three main types of numbers in Python. The first type is integers. This is whole numbers with no decimal point. Here, I'm creating variable x and setting it to 10. If I run this, we get 10. If we use the type function to check the type, we get class int. Here's where Python is different. Integers can be as large as you want. These massive 30-digit numbers would cause overflow in many languages, but in Python, it works perfectly. Let's look at some of the basic arithmetic operations. We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Division of two integers in Python gives you float result. Python converts it automatically. But if you insist on using integer division, use double slash. That's floor division. Percent gives the remainder. Now let's talk about floats, numbers with decimal points. Here's what's important. Floats are approximate, not perfectly accurate, because of how computers store decimals in binary. Let me show you a classic example. 0.1 plus 0.2, what do we get? There is a tiny rounding error. So if we do a comparison, we get false. The solution is check if they are close enough. Check if the absolute difference is less than a small number. This is a much safer way. Python has built-in complex numbers. In math, we write 3i, but Python uses j. That's engineering notation. You can also access the real part and also the imaginary part. Alright everyone, let's recap. We have covered integers with unlimited precisions, floats and their precision issues, and complex numbers.